splitting up, they're coming down the middle. Hey, yeah, move to that side. Dimitri, focus on the far right, Dimitri.
Brody!
You have 45 minutes to just... Get the fuck out of here! Cody, quick, it's... Cody steers on his battery. Hey, put the gun on the truck, too soon. I got you. What are you trying to do here? No. Oh, okay. Hold the fire. Getting food. Man, this sucks. It's dead? It's dead. If that battery's dead, he's screwed. Unless he wants to go get my sniper. Alright, you guys hold out here. Cody, call out at least. Guys, watch your right. Cody, I have my 9.6 if you want that. Hey, Eugene, there's a guy sitting get it. In open on the right. Yeah, it's in my, Eugene! It's in my duffel bag. They're damn close to us.
I know. God damn, hop up. Yeah.
There's a bunch of them there. He was good where he was. He was good. The closer he was. They're shooting me. I know. Dimitri, we need help on the right. Hold on. Grant. I'm going there. Get out here, Cody! I need you.
Yeah. Oh God, this is so much lighter.
Oh, shit. Multitask. What, Kesson? I can't see anybody. There's still that guy right there in the white. See him? Oh, here comes. You should have gotten the white. Hey, oh, there you come. Good job, Cody. Have we got anyone hit yet? Do any of us have hit? No, not yet. Max? Is Max hit? Max got hit once. Did? Oh, did pretty good. I'm only watching this. You go out there. We have to go.
Прям, видишь? Вот прям.
Whoop.
Где? Вон.
Whoa, hello.
Он бежит, здесь снайпер белый, прямо здесь. know I can't reach him.
Let's scare him off.
Supposed to fucking. Oh, yep, that's Roddy. Good job, man. He's hit. Alright, hey, don't push up anymore. That's good right there. Because if you get hit, it's tag in. This is my bed. Got my stove. Oh, shit, don't turn on. Oh, you want a cup of coffee? No? No? Okay. Over here we got the sitting area, slut horde, pole dancing. I got a hammer, but
Better not.
well, that's my crib, so good night.
Ooh, I got hit on that one. Hit me in the shoulder.
Sometimes you get hit doing this.
A lot. The worst part is that I can't like be like, ow, fuck, I got hit, because I'm trying to film it now. I've gotten shot in the head and just grunted. It's like a foot deep.
There's like a lake under it.
Yeah.